passion for real estate. I've always bought and sold in homes in Orange County, California. And my family's always had a dream of living in Montecito, California, where some of the best real estate exists. So coming to Montecito, we found a jewel of a home, and we thought this would be a great project for myself, my wife, and my family to get our hands on. Nothing worse, but nothing better than living through construction. So I'm gonna show you today, before I get into all our projects coming down the pipeline, my first home, which is my home, and show you how we get down and how we manage to live through this crazy world of construction. So we're smack dab in the middle of it, all things building. Let's check it out. So you can see there's hammers and drills in the background. This is a real world construction zone. And yes, we are living through it. So my wife, who is a master designer, designed this entryway from the light on the very top to the custom paint throughout. And as you can see, we have everything from laundry cleaner to diapers and wipes to the iPad to keep the kids busy. Into this room, you'll see our custom family room. And this is the largest room in the house for us to kind of hang out together. But what Morgan did is she chose some extremely high gloss stain to make this just pop. And as you can see, we're in the middle of it, and these are brand new hardwood floors. The great thing about the wood in this house, it is all from the exact same oak tree. So that's why this is extremely custom. And the work we do, we want to have little touches of customization. And you'll see these floors. No other person in the world has these floors because one tree made the entire floor. This, as you'll see as we go through this project, is gonna be a custom onyx that you'll find in some high-end bars where it lights up from the bottom. And we're still designing the backsplash, but it's gonna be crazy. This is a family room, extra storage, maybe a wine cellar. The only way to finish this project, which takes 2 years and 4 months, is to live through it. We decided to save and to salvage as much history as this house has by not getting rid of any floors. Any hardwood that we had before, we sanded it and stained it, saving a lot of money and having a lot better result. What we did in here was we carried this custom wood floor throughout the entire bottom, which is from the one oak tree that we mentioned before. And we put custom woodwork throughout the entire house. So this very innate design that pops off with that high gloss white makes this a very classy, elegant room. And then to make it pop and make it modern, we built these custom built-ins right here, which she stained the same high gloss as the other rooms. And she took this existing fireplace and she stained it the exact same stain. On in through here, I'll take you to the kitchen, which she went bananas on this kitchen. This is a slabs heaven place. So what you'll see that's unique in this kitchen is she took stone to a whole new level. She decided to go from countertop all the way to ceiling top with this stone. So in here is a custom French range, which she picked out. So this is going to make the kitchen everything. Let me pull this apart right here. Now I can't cook, but I can sure eat. Now this is a stove, my friends. Let me get out the way. As you can see, real 24 karat gold in this stove. This is if you're a chef and you like to cook and bake, this is what's up right here. So this stove is the center of the kitchen with a matching hood. Again, I'm just here to make it look good and eat, and she's here to design and make it look like it pops. So this is the stove. She wanted the stove for years. We always looking through home and design garden magazines, and she always said, when I get to design my house the way I want it, I'm making this stove the center focus of the kitchen. So it's a French range. Again, I don't know how to work it, but it looks very cool. So most kitchens you'll see that are on the market, they have a great countertop. We have the double waterfall. So splash to the ground here, nothing but bling. Carry on down here, and the double waterfall, nothing but bling. So this makes the kitchen more expansive, seating underneath, but this is what's up right here. And in here is gonna be where the kids are gonna have most of their meals, and we eat as a family, in this custom nook area with the lighting up here. So we all know kitchens sell houses, and this is about as good as it gets. What you'll see in our next couple tours through is we're putting in a double refrigerator, we're putting in an ice machine, and just making it really kid-friendly, really easy, really casual, and really comfortable. So as we go through here, we got the laundry room over here. we got the only spot I was able to touch in the entire house was quasi this bathroom and then the gym. So I got my sauna in here. I get my sweat on in the mornings. You know, when you're listening to your podcast, don't forget to hustle. And I'm just dialing it up. I got my handy dandy. And the cool thing about this sauna is it plays music. I got my Bluetooth. It's got those strobe lights. So it's like a party in the morning when I get in there. And as I back up through here, this is my bathroom. This is my man cave for the time being. And then over here,
I'm trying to put my stuff in your gym.
Gee, you can't really see it, but this is my office. Now I'm forced to go to the gym, but it was great for a minute. As you can see, I got my treadmill. I got my TV where I can check out the market in the morning, and I got my cable machine. But this is all me. I got my back entrance in. I come in the back. I do my workout. I do my little gym. I do my little sauna, and I'm set for the day. I'm ready to crush it. So that is my space. That's all I got. You can see the walls are white. TV's there, got cords hanging out, doesn't even matter, but that is my man cave. While I'm in this transition of dealing with the kids and dealing with the house and still working and making it go, I'm working upstairs. So let's go upstairs and show you my office and where I handle all my mortgage coaching and my lending business until this house is back together.